have spent some time talking about what the members of a classroom community can do to make everyone feel a part of that community. When community members agree on ways to work together well, they create a set of classroom norms. Norms are the expectations for the way a person should behave. We're going to come up with some norms that we can all agree upon to make it possible for everyone to enjoy working and learning together in our classroom community. I'm going to give you a couple of prompts to read and think about before we get together as a whole group and come up with some ideas for our class. Here are some questions I want you to think about. When you are reading and writing, how can you do your best work? How can you make the classroom a place where everyone can learn? How can you participate positively when you are working in a group? And how should you care for the resources and materials in this classroom? Take some time and think about each one of these questions. If you need to, you can jot your answers down on a piece of paper. In a little bit, we're going to come together as a group and come up with our classroom norms for our community.